my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda242. If you're here for the first time, I am Remelda. You are welcome and God bless you. So today, I'm preparing for my family pumpkin waffles with syrup. If you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. I must give a shout out to my subscribers right here. Those of you who are always coming back. You know who you are. You are my MVP. And to my brand new subscribers, you are welcome and God bless you. Oh, my viewers, you're out there, you're watching. I don't know, but you haven't subscribed this yet. Please subscribe and be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you and continue watching. my YouTube family, my subscribers, everyone, guess what I'm doing today? I'm still doing it. I am still doing it. I'm bringing the restaurant home. God bless you. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Please share it out. Leave a comment. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. And be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one.